Welcome to Doit Designs. Like, subscribe and share. Render Jewellery is a platform for showcasing jewelry in interactive 3D. It helps designers and small brands upload models, easily edit them, and share or embed their work online. Present your jewelry in stunning 3D. Getting started is simple. Open your 3DM file. Right after upload, your design is ready to be styled. Showcase jewelry with Render. Open the Render software and click Open File. Choose the design you want to work on. Go to Quality and select the level of rendering quality you prefer. Camera and View options. Choose different angles like front, right, top, or perspective view. Click Add Present to use pre-made camera settings. You can even add 360 degrees views or smooth animations like ease in, out. Lighting and background. Choose from preset lighting scenes or studio environments. Adjust the brightness to suit your style. Customize materials. To change metal, click on the part you want to edit. A material library will appear. Pick from gold, silver, rose gold, and more. You can also customize metal shades using the color palette. The same process works for gems. Pick your stone color and finish. Export your design. Once your design is ready, export it as an image or video. Choose your resolution and background type, plain, transparent, or studio style. To save your project, click the camera icon for an image or the video icon for a video render. That's it. Render Jewellery, the fastest way to showcase your jewelry in 3D.